Here we go. We are rolling. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is November 8th. Tuesday, November 8th, 2011. Um, we will go through the trades we took this morning, the trades we didn't take, and how things set up. We only took ES trades. We didn't take any YM trades this morning. And we took 2 trades on the ES that lost. So we are down 16 ticks at this point. Now, let me just show you what's set up here. Okay, this was the open in the morning. We had a little pre-market activity right here. Some of the partners in the room asked about this trade right here. This was a George trade, but it was pre-market that it set up, or 9:30 exactly. That trade did work out, but it didn't market because it was pre-market. There was nothing in here. We got inside the box. All right, over here we got outside the box with a fresh bubble. Pull back down to the BBC. This trade, it didn't make it to the 1 point area where I normally move my stop up to break even. It just completely reversed on us and went down. All right. From there, we had a move down into this area right here that we're not going to trade into. So we had a couple of opportunities there to trade into it, but we didn't take them because we did not want to be caught in a bounce off of that area. The market then moved down here. It had a pretty quick move down right here. We had the bands outside down here. The chop bands were outside. The red bands outside the black. The pull up to the BBC was here, but we had this space right in here. So we did not take that trade. What we did do, though, when that was developing, we took a trade over here on the, I believe it was the 10K that we actually took the trade on. It was this 10K trade right here. It's a little crunched up in here, but it was this 10K trade right in here. The pullback up to the BBC right here, we shorted right there, and you can see our stop on that short was right here at 61.75. It went 1 tick through our stop before it went down to the profit target. It followed up with another trade right here. This trade was a George trade, a G trade. It broke into here. The price dropped down below the elbow extension right here by 3 ticks, and it pulled back up to the first pullback to the BBC. Within the box, that's the G trade. We got short in here. We actually got a little late because it popped up really quick, and we got in a little late here at 12.60. The actual entry was here at 59.25. I got out of that trade break even over here after it went. I think it did go from 60. It went down to 57.75 right here. But I was actually looking for the bigger move, so I moved my target out, and I didn't take back the eight ticks that I had already lost at this point. And so I got out at break even right here. All right. Now we had this right at this point in the day. We're down 16 ticks. We had this one over here that stopped us out, and this one right here that stopped us out. So we had 2 losing trades. And so far we had 1 break-even trade that did go the full 8 ticks. It actually went 9 ticks, but we didn't take it. I missed this one right here. This was the second opportunity. This was also a G trade. It popped 3 ticks outside of the box right here, pulled back up to the BBC, then dropped over here. Now, when all this was going on, I was saying that I expected it to drop over here to this level right here. It was trading up around here at that time, and I was saying I expected it to drop down to here. So that's what I was looking for. This pullback right here that you're looking at right here on the 7-minute chart is the one that stopped me out by 1 tick before it dropped down. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. We got another trade right in here. This was a regular CFRN trade, pulled back up to the BBC after the bubble. This one went down. I think it went at least a point in our favor. It went more than a point, but it went at least a point, and then I got out break even on that trade. That was right at the close of the morning session. All right, right now, this is actually a trade right here that I didn't see while it was setting up. I'm going to mark this with an orange arrow, just so you all can see it. The trades that set up that I didn't take are marked with orange arrows. The trades that set up that I did take are marked with yellow arrows. We had a bubble right here. See a fresh bubble? This is the first pullback down to the BBC after the bubble. So we would have been looking to go long here at 57. And you can see it got up to 58. So my stop would be at break even at this point. Okay. Now, if we scroll over, that was it. We didn't take any trades on the YM this morning. Not a single YM trade. We were looking at trades on the 2100 tick this morning. Like right in here. Looking at trades on the 2100 tick. Looking at trades on the 10,000 contract. And taking trades on the 10,000 contract and on the 4 tick range. All right. That was our morning. So we ended the morning minus 16 ticks on the ES, no ticks on the YM. Okay, that was our morning. All right, that's it.